And as we come together in this manner, we are conscious of his presence in our midst. Honorable Chief Minister, Manipur, Sri Y. Khemchand Singh. Well, it has been, I must say, what the way that we had to endure, or rather we have to make to endure for the last couple of hours. Because what we were told, informed of, about your timing was 10:50 in the morning. And accordingly, we have prepared ourselves. However, without a catch, I must say, it has been worth the wait. I'm really grateful that you have made it possible to come and join us this afternoon. Well, a lot of time was taken for gifting. After all, it's time for sharing of blood. And even this moment, we can't, down to Nagarong, cannot remain left out. We are also going to some. I'm aware of the fact that we are hard up on time. They have to rush again to Shirui village for their lunch. They haven't had a lunch. So it's already 1 o'clock. No, should be more than that. Yeah, it's well over 1 o'clock now. We are hard up on time. We are submitting a memorandum consisting of 2 segments. Since I won't be able to go into detail, I just have the benefit of reading out the first segment of the memorandum, requesting for your immediate intervention. Lady Shabin, in a memorandum, Tangkul Nagalong Vaina, Kada Ishi Hoku Vaina, we something clean, Kamatayaba. Ari ngalanga, Honorable Chief Minister ne attention makami masabai ji gaji, khare ba ji, ina pashok mire, galaji ali submit saga hai, ara hi ina ali submit sahu. I'm so aware of the time constraint that, I'm in a rush. Excuse me for that. Are, ina, khare, matai dekap kaja, urgent sala kahaya. Are issue binchi, pami khamai sahu. Kajara pura na pahu le. To the Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Manipur, informed, Sir, I, the undersigned, for and on behalf of the Tangkul Naga community, am hereby obliged to submit the following charter of demands for your immediate intervention in the interest of restoring peace and normalcy. First, general infrastructure urgently needed in the district hospital, Ukhrul, oxygen plant, blood bank license, filling up the post of a specialist and staff, emergency drugs with separate package, etc. Here is number 1, we have the operation theater in the district hospital. It's a wonder that there is no proper oxygen plant, there is no blood bank, And one can imagine how would the Operation Tether function in the absence of this infrastructure. So we have just mentioned that. The urgent need for setting up the oxygen plant and the plant bank. And also, a special kind of a package for urgent and necessary medicines. That is the first law. The second one, to ensure complete security and safety by providing 24/7 ROP along the Imphal-Ukhrul Highway, National Highway 202. Sir, I'm sure you're already aware of the absolute need, urgency for ensuring absolute safety and security along this national highway. There should not be a repeat of what had happened. That is number 2. Number 3, to immediately stop militarization of the Naga inhabited areas and to ensure that all the deployed central security forces maintain strict neutrality. Well, you're well aware of the general complaint, and you would appear now when I say that it is not without justification that the credibility of the security forces, particularly of the central security forces, leaves much to be desired. And so, from now on, we would require you kindly to ensure that they maintain strict neutrality. We don't want any favor done to us. We also don't want anything done to them against us. They should maintain strict neutrality. Number 4, to ensure that no extortion or illegal taxation takes place along the Imphal-Ukhrul Highway 202 at the hands of Kuki militants. Well, that I don't have to repeat. It speaks for itself. So kindly take note of this for strict enforcement. Number 5, I'm so sorry, slight typo mistake is that it has been mentioned as 102. It should be 202. Right, thank you. To ensure that the recommendation of Thawai Kuki murder case, that is Thangkin Paide and Thangboy Mam Khongsai murder case, to the National Investigation Agency is immediately withdrawn. I would only say, sir, even earlier in our meeting, I've mentioned that far more serious cases involving far more, heinous crimes were not, referred to or were not recommended for an investigation. But here, even before ascertaining the identity of the victims and the bona fide, the state government has thought it fit to recommend for an IA investigation. It is a humble request that it should be withdrawn, that recommendation. Here's the article. Number 6, to relocate all the internally displaced people away from the Naga inhabited areas. I think we have also mentioned this in our earlier meeting. To remove all the existing SO suspension of operation enforced with the Kuki militants camps of Kuki militants from the Naga inhabited areas be removed forthwith. Then, number 8, to identify all the illegal immigrants and deport them to the countries of their origin. Number 9, to identify all the Kuki refugees and repatriate them to the countries of their origin. Then, no separate homeland / administrative administrative arrangement shall be carved out in favor of the Kukis within the Naga ancestral land. This we have mentioned in the backdrop of the persistent demand that there should be a separate Kuki homeland, separate administrative zone. Do it, but in no way it should be done at the cost of the Naga's homeland. It should never be carved out of the Naga homeland. This is what our demand is. To ensure that no territory within the state of Manipur is used by the Kuki immigrants as safe haven for running Bobby truck cargo. This is a very serious issue, and I'm sure you'll seize of the seriousness of this poppy plantation and the truck, gardens that follows. So please, you have a stringent law provided under the Narcotic Control Act. You only have to enforce it. As you come up to a crew, you must have seen on either side of the road, the whole forest completely denuded and converted into poppy plantation. This cannot, if at all, the government directives is what the sort. Now number 12, to ensure that all the unrecognized and illegal Kuki settlement villages, machets, hamlets, etc. are immediately evicted, along with cancellation of all the illegal taujis / patas, and that no fresh and separate permit, tauji, pata, shall henceforth be issued for any new Kuki settlement. This is very, very important. Sir, I only seek your indulgence, and I would only like to mention this very clearly. Pre-independence, you know how many villages were recognized? You have the list. Post-independence, how many again settlements have been recognized as villages? Now this itself shows that they have no ancestral land as such. And what they are saying, ancestral land is sought to be carved out of the Naga ancestral land, and this we cannot permit. We cannot allow. So kindly make sure that this kind of unauthorized, grant or state authorization should never be allowed. 13. The main highway cutting through the heart of Ukhrul district headquarters down from Dumre to Dumre is the site, to Karason Junction right down there, and the main access from the western side of the district on a stretch of 4 or 5 kilometers down to National Highway 102A bypass junction need immediate improvement, repair and maintenance. on a war footing. This is the number 14. And number 13. Now the last, 14. As per application representation dated 6 April 2026 submitted to the Deputy Commissioner, Yukru by Chairman Litan as Tangkul Village, appropriate relief schemes, funds, including materials and financial packages, may immediately be released and internally displaced people be rehabilitated at the earlier. I think I would not say any more on this. People are suffering, and they have been suffering for the last 2 months without shelter and without proper place to live. So it would require for your immediate intervention to ensure that they get relief and financial assistance so that they would be able to live normal human lives. So with that, I conclude our representation. Now the representation number 2 is, yes, not for immediate attention, but it doesn't mean that this can be neglected. These are equally important. And I would request, Honorable Chief Minister, to ensure that you kindly pay attention to what we have stated in the second segment of the memorandum. For want of time, I will not go into that. So with this, I conclude my short